Have you registered with Airbnb and noticed they deduct a 5% withholding tax on your rental income before paying you? That is exactly what you're tackling today. How to file your MRI returns in Kenya and account for this 5% withholding step by step so you can get your returns right and stay fully compliant. Log in using itax.kra.go.ke. Then you can use your ID to log in. Enter your ID number and then validate. Then enter your password and click login. Once logged into iTax, go to Returns, then File Return. The tax obligation, select Income Tax Rent Income. The landlord information is already autofilled by the system. The return period is also autofilled as from the last filing you did. Note that it should always be current to avoid penalties. Then click Next. The property details are also autofilled. You just need to indicate the total rental income you collected the previous month. Then the tax on rental income calculates automatically using 7.5% rate. Then click Next. Section C gives you a summary of the tax due. For the 5% withholding tax, the iTax system automatically shows it here once the Airbnb submits it to KRA. All you need to do is confirm that this amount matches what was withheld. If you don't see it here, don't submit your returns just yet. Check with the KRA first. If you confirm it is correct, click on Submit. Finally, download your return receipts for your record. A quick one: if you did not receive any rent for a particular month, maybe because you have one house and it was vacant, you file nil returns. So you'll go to Returns menu, then File Nil Returns. Select Income Tax Rent Income, and then confirm the return period, then submit the returns, and you are done. If this helped you, hit subscribe button to stay updated on our latest tax tips. Please like, share, and comment below so we can reach more people who need this guidance. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video.
Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more videos like these.